In front of me is Honor Pad 9, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by accessing Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on System and Updates. Then select Language and Input, Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard, and Themes. Now you can click on one of those themes under Gallery or Yours. And when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and click on Customized. Then select Start under Design a New Theme. Click on this little icon of a camera and the plus icon at the top left corner. And click on any photo from your gallery. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, adjust the background darkness thanks to this slider. Then hit Done at the top right corner. Lastly, manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and to save your new keyboard, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!